What's up, y'all? What's popping? What's good? So today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to crimp your hair when you got bundles in and you got the little side parts. And yeah, I already did a little, where'd it go? I already did a little test one right here. I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah, we're just gonna do a how-to on how to crimp your hair. So the stuff that you need are some crimps. You can get them from the local beauty supply store. You can get them from Sally's. Shoot, I'm sure you can get them off Amazon, but my pair came from Sally's. Shout out to my godmama, she bought me these. And then you just want like either some Got2b or some sprays, like some type of like holding spray. My spray is running out, so I'm probably not gonna spray to the end, but in between each strand, you want to part. And you want to spray the hair before you crimp it, and then crimp it so that it can stay. This is some real good hair, so mine's gonna stay like regardless. So that's the good news. I just wanted to touch my hair up because I got my hair wet last night, and I wanted to look fresh because I want to take some pictures. So yeah, come along with me and just keep watching with me show you how to crimp your hair. So you want to take a piece of hair. You want a piece of hair that's a nice size, but you don't want it to be like a huge chunky hair. Like it can be a huge chunky hair, but for the best results, you want to do like a piece that's like in the middle. Not too big, not too small. So you're going to take whatever spray you got, and you're going to like spray it in the air around your hair. You don't want to spray it directly on your hair because you're going to be sizzling like. Mine probably gonna be sizzling too. So once you brush, you got your piece, you're gonna take your crimps, make sure they're the right way, because sometimes I be crimping my hair backwards and then both sides look different. Either way, both sides gonna look different. Always on one side I like more when I crimp and have a middle part, but just put your hair between the irons and hold it down. I usually, when I'm trying to like really get it crispy, I do a count, like, you know, a little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, count all the way up. But if I'm just trying to give me some little smooth ways to put in there, I just kind of, you know, eyeball it. Like I don't count, I just leave it on there for a little bit. And then, yeah, I just slide it down. When you have them little pieces, you want to bring them back in. Because it's I mean, you don't want it to look like stringy, but you don't want it to look like flyaways either. But sometimes I brush mine at the end, so like you can avoid that problem anyways. And my hair was previously crimped, so like it's kind of easier for me to do it. So when I get to this end piece, I just kind of cut my things together to try to get like a little crimped end. So yeah, here are the little 2 pieces right there. And then I'm trying to save this piece for last, since it's like gonna be in the front, so it can be like the freshest piece. Like when I have a middle part, I try to do my front pieces last, just because, you know, you want that piece in the front to be crispy as possible, but that's what everybody finna see. Yo, I'm having a hard time figuring out what's going on with my part. Like I do this every time I get my hair done, my part get messed up. Like how the heck do we do that? I'm gonna try to spray a little bit of spray on there so that it can go, but I still want to save a little bit for my edges because I gotta swoop the edges at the end, you know, a little swoopy swoopy swoop. So I'm gonna leave this piece right here. I'm trying not to get it connected in there. Just go ahead, grab you another little piece. This piece a little chunky, but like I really could pull it off if I was forcing it in a rush, but I ain't even gonna do that. I ain't even gonna do that. I'm just gonna take my next piece. You know, y'all can just watch me crimp for a little bit because it's like, it's kind of self-explanatory, but I know people watch stuff like this on YouTube. So you see how I got my curls. You kind of really, on my curls, my crimpers, you kind of want to do it at like an angle, if that makes sense, like kind of slanted. I wish I could have got them Arrogant Tay crimpers. Oh, it looks so easy because these crimpers had your arm hurting. But them crimpers was $100. That wasn't in my budget. That's my favorite saying. If it ain't in my price range, I'd be like, That ain't in my budget. That is not in my budget. So right now I'm at this point with YouTube. I'm trying to figure out what videos work best and what people actually like, because I feel like my vlogs is not, you know, bringing the audience in. Even though I travel a lot of places and I vlog, I still feel like, you know, people not really resonating with it. So I've been trying to try different videos. And people really like pranks, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to do pranks. At least I'm not gonna be able to do pranks on my boyfriend, because he's not a good sport at all. And I don't know who else I would prank. Like, mom would be gone, she been working. My little brother, I don't know, he might give me a reaction. I probably just gonna have to get creative and like prank other people. But people like seeing pranks with people and their boyfriend. If he say he down for the YouTube, likely he ain't down. Because if he was down, he wouldn't care about me pranking him, and he wouldn't care about me posting the videos when I do prank him. But like, it's understandable because he not no behind the camera type of dude anyways to begin with. So I ain't tripping. I ain't tripping. And we don't need to be no YouTube couple anyways, because all the YouTube couples break up. If you know, you know. Shoot, y'all know. But I'm just proud of myself, because although this is my weekend getaway, I'm getting away, I'm chilling. I've been making a lot of content. I got a video where I give a tour of the hotel I'm at. I got a video of me trying to prank him going wrong, but I'm gonna still post it. I got a morning routine video, and then I got this video showing y'all how to crimp your hair. And later we supposed to be doing that one chip challenge. So how many videos is that? Morning routine, prank, tour, chip, and crimp. So I got an extra video starting off next week, because I'm trying to post 4 times a week like B-Love told me when she gave me the advice. It just seems so unattainable, but the way my schedule is now, I can't really try to post 4 videos. So I'm trying, and I'm finna be out 1 week down. It's gonna be my next week I'm finna have down, because I got my videos ready. Yeah, YouTube is not sweet how people try to make it seem. And another thing why I feel like I'm more motivated to make content is because I like the scenery. I like where I'm at. Like, it get me excited to actually make the content, but I really gotta work with where I got until I can get to that next level, you know? Because everybody didn't start in this little perfect scenery and all of that. They had to work their way up too, so I just gotta stick with it. My lashes is looking crazy, and I don't even have my lash brush. I should have told Corey to grab it. And really, I gotta work on not posting stuff on Instagram and not telling people like where I got stuff from and stuff like that. And just, they have to watch my YouTube channel, but people literally ask me stuff I posted on my YouTube channel instead of posting a video. Like, that is just so, like, I can't think of the word that I want to say. That's so, I don't know, but y'all get what I'm trying to say. Like, dang, you too good to watch my YouTube video, but you want my information, but you don't want to watch my YouTube video that I put time into so that you can know certain stuff. And so many people ask me stuff, and it's just like, y'all must think I work for y'all or something. The same way that I research stuff or I look stuff up, you all can do the same thing. And currently, right now, I'm trying to transition from doing t-shirts to my own clothing brand. Even though I don't know how that's gonna work, because like, one drop is not gonna be able to last. I mean, it will. I just gotta stay on top of it. But like, t-shirts is quick money in a sense, but not really, because it's quick when you get the money, but you still gotta put in the work, and it's gonna take time. And I just don't like doing t-shirts no more. Honestly, I don't. But I don't know how to say no either when people ask me, so that's just how I figured it out. I was really thinking I wanted to put my machine up in storage for something, so I can be like, I don't have no machine, and that'd be my excuse. But it's like, I shouldn't even have to do all that. Like, I don't know if y'all see it, but it's like plenty of little steam coming from them crimps. That's why I got to looking like that. Is it a thing here? Y'all know what I was thinking of. I was thinking of the little fan, but I don't even see no fan here.
Once you pop, knock it for me, girl, get low. If your mama gave it to you, baby girl, let it show. Once you pop, drop it for me, baby, we can roll. Oh,
pop, I can drop it. 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 Pop, I can drop it.
now let me ask you a question that you never heard. How do you make them dollars disappear like Copperfield, like a better word? Let me introduce my friend, that's Huey and Bow Wow. And I'm the pain better known as Teddy Bender rapping style. I'm a D, but you probably already knew that. But you didn't know I can make you pop, drop, and do that. I understand I'm the baddest man alive. So let's just bend your knees and do the G5. Now we fly. Yeah, now you can do it. Yeah, now you stick your roll. Once you pop, knock it for me, girl, get low. If your mama gave it to you, baby girl, let it show. Once you pop, drop it for me, baby, we can roll. Oh,
pop, I can drop it. 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 Pop, I can drop it.
now let me ask you a question that you never heard. How do you make them dollars disappear like Copperfield, like a better word? Let me introduce my friend, that's Huey and Bow Wow. And I'm the pain better known as Teddy Bender rapping style. I'm a D, but you probably already knew that. But you didn't know I can make you pop, drop, and do that. I understand I'm the baddest man alive. So let's just bend your knees and do the G5. Now we fly. Yeah, now you can do it. Yeah, now you see.
We made it to the end. We made it to the really end. The end. Win. Ding. Whew. I'm trying to do it so quick. I gotta save some of this.
Just be. I came up from my department where they trigger heavy. Bought my bitch a brand new roller and she still ain't heavy. Just got that Cartier with diamonds and I'm laughing at you. 911 turbo boys cause I'm a super trouble. Jumping always out the trenches but I'm big and better. I can't never go back broken, that what really matters. Just trying to sabotage my crew while you was fucking jumping.
Look how crispy it be when you spray it and when you grab the right amount. It just so sleek. Look, y'all. Oh, these come back to the day crimps. Okay. You got a piece of the front. You got back in the leg front.
If you a super club, if we same height and you can pick up the new
You don't give it. Let me close the door. This piece of hair, do not want to stay you. Do not want to stay you. Then now you got to do the edges. You got to do the edges. So I'm gonna try to do them on camera. I'm telling y'all now, do not laugh at me. I'm not good at baby hair. Like, I just learned how to do the middle, which was just to, you know, slip them down. Tanky told me what to do. But yeah, y'all, I'm still not good at it. Now I need a touch up, so yeah, not too much food. I'm gonna take my thing like that. I can't get the right angle, y'all. That's why I'm sitting there squatting down like that. Then, okay, so use your phone for your edges. Put it on there, put a little good amount. Use your Got to Be glue, spray it on your brush.
Boy, I've been watching you. Boy, I've been watching you.
Hey y'all, this is the finished product. I need some lip gloss so I can post. Dang, something in this bag is leaking, and I feel like it's that lash stuff. Or my makeup stuff from the beginning. Okay, let me take my thumbnail.
You not sit. You not sit. Yes, I can. You sweet. You not sit, Jay. On my life, I can. On my mama, I can tell you. Jay, on my life, I can tell you that shit. And I have before. On my life, I have before, Jay. What are you talking about? I have before. I have before, Jay. I have before.
First of all, he irritating me. Let me show y'all. Who's on out? I'll come in. Here's the finishing product. This hair didn't even bite me. Let me show you on the mirror. Show y'all. I feel like I actually did good on my baby hairs than I usually do. I knew this was gonna give me, well, I thought it was gonna give me a little bit of better lighting since it's the sun, but I don't know. Yeah, y'all, this is my little how-to. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Get this video to 1 million views. I'm speaking into existence. And 50K likes.
C'est pas possible, c'est d'amour.